Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today is a really foggy day, just to let you know guys. It's in Fresno, California. It's too foggy. Just drive safe home. Be safe. Well anyways guys, I just want to see that I heard an Amtrak San Joaquin. Let's take a look. That's Thomas for sure. You guys can't really see, but we can see right now. If my phone is shaking, that means it scared me.
That noise, raining.
Is
What is that noise? Is it raining? Or what?
I could definitely hear the train, but not even here.
The train is from where? Hanford to Fresno?
Hanford to Fresno.
So it's coming this way then.
Yeah.
Damn, is it come through the fog?
I know, and then they're gonna show up just like Roman Reigns from WWE.
Take me through there.
This is clearly foggy, guys. I wonder if the train stopped. You guys think if the train stopped for out of no reason to let someone pass. Let's look at this. The green light. Green light. Did you guys see that? Green light. And I can't make a video where it's gonna stop. Just letting you know. Railroad. Uh-oh, it's turning bad. I think it's turning bad now. Oh, jeez. Alright, guys, make sure to get ready. Sorry, guys, it was a long video. There it comes now. There it goes.
Oh yeah, here it is, my boy.
Yeah. Yep. It's showing up. It's the Roman Reigns.
Yeah.
That's how they do something like this. You guys see the light? Let's see if it's an Amtrak or San Joaquin. I'm gonna show. I knew it. I'm gonna show you. It's San Joaquin! Don't you dare. One BI level. That equals to double decker.
8303.
Yep. Thank you guys for the foggy day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.